let's get right into it. So today I'm just going to be showing you some updates with Juan's S14 240. In the last video we started restoring it. We have some pretty big plans with it. He's gonna, I don't know if he wants to say what color he wants to do or if we want to keep it a secret, but stay tuned. And oh yeah, also check this out, we got a new camera. And here it is, boys. We got the new Sony A7IV, which is a really good camera. Hopefully you guys could tell the difference, because we could already see. And this is pretty much the shop. Our little garage that we have here. I know it's not much, but I'm very thankful for it. This is what we've been working on so far. Here's my brother's car, but hopefully he gets to fix it soon, because this thing is nice. I don't know if we showed you before, but yeah, some BBSs on it, which are always and our goal is to get a bigger shop one day. Hopefully we could somehow fulfill that, but that's one of our biggest goals right now. I know we're nowhere near, and we're just having fun doing this, but that'll be really cool if that happens one day. The great thing about having one of these S14s is we learn something new pretty much every day. We never owned one before. I've never owned one. This is Juan's first 240, so we're pretty much learning together. And it's fun. It's a really good car. I really like the SR, how it feels. It feels pretty healthy. The Haltech ECU, which is good. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot. Let me show you, boys. This is Juan's new shift knob. You got a Greddy, like the old school ones, but I guess these are the new updated ones, because the new ones have this blue top that say Greddy, and the original ones they say Trust Grex on it, like this one for example, like this one right here. Yeah, these are the old logo ones, which I really like. These are really cool. I don't know if you remember before, this was all spray painted like can. I don't know, it was really shitty, but we pretty much had to bring it down to bare metal, because if we were to leave it like that, it would just chip under the new paint. So you got to make sure that you strip it down all the way to bare metal. And then this is all like the old Bondo work that was already here. We're just trying to smooth it out. I don't know if we want to take it off completely, but we're just trying to get rid of all this black right here, all the paint. And we also started doing the fenders. Sanded that down a bit. What you mainly really want to do is just bring it down to, if the paint is good and it's just a clear coat, you just shave off the clear coat, and then you could pretty much just leave the paint to spray over. And we've been using this. Here's the DA sander by Milwaukee. Shout out Milwaukee, you guys are always the best. Really good tools. We did a little bit of body work on this side. Got the Harbor Freight dam puller. Did an okay job. It's not the greatest. It was the first time I tried it, so it pulled it out a little bit, but there's a little bit of inconsistency, so hopefully I don't have to use too much Bondo. But with this one, I pretty much opened the trunk and just started smacking it with the hammer. So now it's nice and flush. It used to be a big old dent. And the next thing is to work on this as well. It's a big old hole right here. So we're gonna have to go inside and take out the liner, which is probably simple, but we haven't even gotten to it yet. And to be completely honest, like, we're not professionals. We're just learning every day on how to do this, how to do body work. You know, I painted side skirts, I painted some panels before, but I've never done a whole car, so it's gonna be a little challenge. And my whole goal for this whole car, Juan, is to fuck everything up, bro. I'm being serious, bro. Nah, I'm playing. My goal is just to kind of just do the best that I can to my ability. I really want it to be good and to come out clean. Hopefully it doesn't turn out bad. The boys have been really helpful with the whole process, so like Abraham came through, he took off all the moldings right here. That side's not taken out, but this side is. And then he did this door molding, as you can see the gap right here. So this is all nice and exposed, so when I paint, you know, you don't really, yeah, you don't see red. Unfortunately though, these are kind of a pain in the ass to take out. I don't really know how to do that. We tried figuring it out, but It seems like in here, like the window is like glued to the car, so we didn't want to risk breaking it or breaking anything, so which kind of sucks. We're just gonna have to mask it off all right here, which I really don't want to do. I want to keep it nice and open like this. We took this one out as well, so when you paint, it could be nice and crispy right here in the canals. And then here's a pretty rough dent right here. Yeah, it's pretty deep. I don't know how the fuck that happens, but yeah, we got to work on that as well. Juan's been helping me a lot, which is cool. You know, I appreciate you, bro. Even though I'm gonna fuck your car up, dog. Let us know what you boys think about these kits. Little KBD kit. They're pretty cool. They're all like super flexible and whatnot. The only downside is they're pretty heavy, which kind of sucks. But then also we're gonna have to make like brackets that support this little center part, because if we don't, it's gonna be flopping everywhere, which will be pretty bad. Juan, I'll let you do the honors, bro, to reveal what color you want to paint it. I think it's a dope color. I kind of pitched it to him and I think he really likes it as well. It's an OEM color, that's all I'll say. It'll be very clean though. You don't really see many around that are like that. And yeah, it'll come out clean. It's gonna be sick. Let us know what color you guys think it'll be. It'll be a surprise, a good surprise. Then here is the rear bumper that we will be working on pretty soon, getting prepped as well. It kind of sucks. I don't have that much space. It's a little unorganized. It's very unorganized. It's kind of fucked up, as you can see. My brother's car is right here, kind of in the way, so we got to figure out how we want to set this whole garage up to get it ready. Or we could rent out a booth, who knows? Yeah. Look who showed up, baby.
I'm back, baby, ready to work.
So today we're gonna be working on a little bit of sanding on the body. Like I said yesterday, you just want to take off the clear coat, and Juan wants to take a crack at it.
I'm gonna get the door done, you guys. Sorry if my face is red, I have rosacea. We're gonna try to bang out this door real quick, see how much we could go, and then I'm gonna try to go all the way to the fender, the rear fender. So that's pretty much today, and then hopefully, guys, we're trying to, you know, we're trying to keep this in a timely manner. We're going kind of at our own pace, but we're still cracking at it as much as we can. Yes, sir.
I'm all masked up, baby. I'm masked up. Let's get it.
You look good, Fun. You look good. Juan's over here on the passenger side, putting in work. I've been working on the driver's side, so hopefully it comes out clean. Just gotta make sure that everything's good, the whole sanding process. Juan's been doing the passenger side over here. I'll be doing the driver. Help each other out a bit. And he pretty much also did the hood as well. It came out not too bad. It's pretty clean actually.
Alright, tapped out already. Now it's John's turn. I actually did work, guys, just letting you know. Yeah, I'm a little dirty right here. Now it's John's turn. So don't be thinking like, oh, you know, he only did it for like 5 minutes. I was hitting it for 30 minutes.
Get it, baby.
That's what I did right here. Still need to redo it. Go over it again. Hit it again. Not too bad. For 30 minutes. The roof too.
Yeah, as well. From my mom.
Oh, I thought it was car parts. What do you guys think about these BBSs? You think these will look good on the car, bro?
Oh yeah.
Just clean them up a little bit.
17 by 9.
Yep, they're 17 as well too. Or you guys like that track look? I like them too. Just clean them up a little bit. Comment if you think they'll look tight, guys. Showed you John, but he used some of this stuff. A little dent puller, Harbor Freights. It works though. They pull out a couple dents real quick. Pretty much dent free. I don't know if you can see it though. It's not blurry. We just need one more. Major one right here on the roof. And then one more on the door. And then pretty much, yeah. We're just gonna sand it down. Later on, primer it. As long as there, guys, as long as there. I'm also gonna repaint these 5 Zegans. I don't know what color yet. We're gonna repaint them, redo them, calipers as well. Repaint the calipers. Probably get them powder coated though.
Earlier in the video, it's up to you, bro, but if you want to reveal the color, did you tell him already?
No, I didn't tell them about the color though.
Alright, so yeah, we'll keep it a surprise.
Yeah. And maybe next week we're gonna go pick up the color too. So I already have the color in mind, right? So it's either, I'll tell you up to the 3, blue, red, or green, guys. So take a guess.
Take a guess.
I don't even know what color I'm picking.
So after a couple of hours, we're still sanding it. It probably doesn't look like much, but we're getting it little by little. It's a whole process, so.
It's an arm workout, bro. That's an arm workout.
So yeah, we're just trying to do this as much as possible. And hopefully by next video, we'll be pretty much done with the whole sanding part. And then I still gotta pull this dent out. And there's another dent right there.
Not too bad though.
Yeah, not too bad. What you think, Juan?
It's coming out good, bro. All we need is just one more back here. Show them this one too.
Oh yeah.
This one right here. This shouldn't be too bad either. So we're working our way to the rear, guys. Alright, you guys, other than that, we're gonna put the kit on. Everything's good, so ain't much, but hope you guys like, comment, like, and subscribe. And if you guys would like, follow us on our Instagram, Team Nice JP. Is it Team Nice JP?
Yeah, it's Team Nice.
Go check it out if you guys haven't checked it out. Alright, you guys have a good one.
나이스!